In the shadows, you shine so bright, a guiding star in the darkest night. Whispers of love through every tear. You're my strength, always near. And every question, you hold the key. My heart's so warm, forever with me. Oh, my mother, my eternal friend. In your love I find the strength to mend. No storm too fierce, no night too long. With you beside me, I feel so strong. When the world feels heavy, I look around. Your voice and melody, a soothing sound. With every doubt, I find my way through your embrace. I learn to stay. Guardian angel in daylight or dark.